Hey everybody, my name is Andrew Willis and this is my campaign ad that I'm going to go over. I chose to go over the Vans campaign for Color Your Souls. The reason why I chose this one, there's a lot going on. They have the colors here that are really energetic. It promotes the different colors that they offer for the shoes and different colors that individuals would be into. So having the idea of the skateboarder here doing a trick and being able to do it comfortably in the shoes, but adding in the color is allowing the message to get through that there are multiple colors that can be used when doing whatever you need to do. So I'll take a little closer look at this original ad here. The design itself, as I mentioned, the color in there going along with the skateboarder doing the trick, but little things like the logo up here in the corner, it's a contrasting logo that stands out in the clouds, and then the bright colors that stay consistent with the ad campaign itself. The typography here, we have sans serif as far as what they use with the logo, and then the writing just down here on the bottom as well. They kept it pretty consistent, nothing too crazy. Reason being they just didn't want to distract from the actual image itself by getting too crazy with the fonts. And then the colors, as I mentioned before, the colors, they're bright, reflecting colors. They add a good contrast and are consistent with the shoes in the ad. So the colors that they're using to display different colors that are out there, it's almost like a rainbow colors, are the options that anybody can choose from as far as like what type of color shoe that they would want. They have the option to choose whatever they would desire. So in the ad that I created, I wanted to create something that had the similar idea of that original campaign. Changing a couple things up with that being change the person that was in it. I used a girl that's skateboarding, but I actually was able to color her person here a couple different times to match the color of the shoes at the bottom as well. So consistency is there with the person doing the skateboarding trick, using the Vans shoe on the skateboard still, showing different colors as far as the person, the reflective colors, the colors of the shoes at the bottom, and the logo itself. We just took the logo and changed the color so it's able to be seen in the background, just because a white version of that logo would not stand out as much and might go unnoticed. Other consistencies with the font itself, Color for Your Soul, keeping the idea still pretty consistent with the original, and keeping that same font, not too distracting, adding a little bit colorful and energetic, so making sure that's not distracting from the fact of the color that they can choose from as far as the different colors offered. And then the logo itself, again, just took the logo, made it black so that way it was able to be seen in the new ad as opposed to the white background for the original. And that's it. Thank you.